Okay, let's look at this quadratic inequality. We are asked to solve x squared minus 5x plus 6 is less than 0. The first thing we'll do is we will tackle it the way we would any other quadratic. We will find the solutions or the roots. That's the points at which the parabola crosses the x-axis and gives y equals 0. So you can use the quadratic formula, or I'm going to pick two number pairs that sum to give minus 5 and multiply to give plus 6. And they are minus 2 and minus 3. So we'll put that in factorized form. So we have x minus 2 and we have x minus 3 is less than 0. Now, we need to find the roots or the critical values. They are the roots, the points at which the parabola crosses the x-axis. And can we see what they are? They would be, or they are, x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3. Just to have a look at that for a moment, check you understand why. Okay, that's great. That's going to be useful, but we're not finished yet. So let's quickly plot this parabola, because that's going to help a lot in this question. So I've got my x and y axis. So there's my y up here and my x here. And we've said that the roots are 2 and 3. So I'll draw them about there, 2 and 3. Now, which way does the parabola go? Well, to find out that, we look at the lead coefficient. So I'll get a green pen on just this lead coefficient here, which is actually plus 1. If we have a plus lead coefficient, the parabola is U-shaped. Think of smiley face, happy. If it is a negative lead coefficient, it is N-shaped, or the other way round, this way, up and down, sad. So let's plot that. Let's draw a rough sketch. Try my best to go through the roots. Oh, there we go. That will do for this. So we need that region that is less than 0. So all these solutions of y that are less than 0 down here. And can we see that if we are just greater than 2, so all of this region and less than 3 would give us those negative values. So we need x to be greater than 2 and x to be less than 3. And we can write that nice and succinctly as x less than 2, greater than 2 and less than 3. And that is our solution. I hope that helps.